Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of c if we have c plus c divided by c multiply c is equals to 1 and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation and at the last we will be verified that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. And in the first method we have this is c plus c divided by c multiply c, and here you see that two same variable terms are added by each other, so it will be written as c plus c becomes 2 times of c divided by c multiply c is equals to c square is equals to 1 only. And now here in order to find the roots of this equation we need to move this c square to the right hand side, and it will be written as 2c equals to this is c square multiplied by 1 is equals to c square. And further in the next step we need to move this 2c to the right hand side, and it will be written as this is c square, this is positive term. When we move it into the right hand side it will becomes negative, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we need you see here both of these two terms involve c, so that we take common c from here, and when we take common c we get the remaining values are c minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c is equals to 0, and the second case is we write c minus 2 is equals to 0. So this is the our first root of the given equation, and from here we move this minus 2 to the right hand side, it will becomes plus 2, and this is the second root of the given equation. So from first method we will get here these are the two roots of the given equation. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is these two values of c is the solution of given equation or these two values of c be the extraneous root. So for verification of these two roots we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is this is c plus c divided by c multiply c, and this is equals to 1. So this is our given question statement, and in this side we will be verify c is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify c is equals to plus 2. So here we need to verify both of these two values, and now here first we verify c is equals to 0. So we substitute c equals to 0 into the left hand side, and it will be written as 0 plus 0 divided by 0 multiplied by 0 is equals to 1. And now here we need to check its behavior, and it will be written as 0 plus 0 becomes 0, and 0 multiplied 0 is also becomes 0 is equals to 1. So this shows that our left hand side becomes indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that our left hand side be the undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes that c equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation, because you know about that extraneous root are those roots which does not satisfy our given question statement. So here c equals to 0 be the extraneous root. And now we need to move towards our second root, and in second root we just substitute c equals to 2 into the left hand side of this equation, and it will be written as 2 plus 2 divided by 2 multiply 2 is equals to 1. And we have this is 2 plus 2 becomes 4 divided by 2 multiply 2 is also becomes 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here this 4 and this 4 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 1 is equals to 1. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. So if both of the sides are equal, this means that the value of c equals to 2 is satisfied our given question statement, so that the solution set of this question is c is equals to 2. So in the first method we will get here only one solution set, and that is c is equals to 2. And now we again solve this problem for second method. And in second method, first we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is c plus c divided by c multiply c is equals to 1. So this is our given question statement. And now we again solve this problem for second method, and our second method be the very quickest method. So here you first see that here this c is added by c, and we write it as this will becomes 2 times of c, and here c is multiplied by c becomes c square, and this whole equation is equals to 1. And now you see here this c and this c are cancelled out by each other, and we get here this is 2 divided by c is equals to 1. And here in order to find the value of c, we need to move this c from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as 2 is equals to c multiplied by 1 is equals to c. So here in the second method we will get only one value of c, and that is equals to 2. In the first method we already verified that this value of c is already satisfied our given question statement, so it means that the solution set of a second method is that only c is equals to 2. So this is the only one solution which we get here from second method, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.